Go 2023 Topps Finest Star Wars random box case break number 2. Last one I got. Here we go. Open up the case, random up the boxes. Second one of the night. The final one. Seems like it has that superfractor smell to it a little bit. Special superfractor scent they put on. Box one up here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just like how we always do it, top to bottom, left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That actually you might be onto something there, Josh. That's actually sounds like a pretty good little marketing deal. Random box, here we go. Box order on 8. 5 and a 3 box order on 8. Okay, Stephman with the first box, JT with the last box. That was on 8. 5 and a 3 is 8. There's your box order. Again, after this break, we're going Bone Chrome U football. I already grabbed my gloves. I didn't. Keep chipping away on the other breaks. Bunch of other great breaks on the website. Okay, how are we gonna do this? Do this like this. Stuffman's up first. Grab his tag right there. That right there. Box number 1. Gold Rio Durant to 50. This is like the third time we've seen this one. Nazine Contractor. Darth Vader Refractor. 199 Tobias Beckett. $199. Hey, Princess Leia Organa. $199. I have to check it out. I think my wife or my brother was saying something about it. Oh, wait a second here. Red Refractor. Red Refractor. Bail Organa. 5 out of 5. Red Refractor. Tales of the Jedi. First box, and we get a red. Good red. Okay, stuff, man. Hey. Hey now. Oh, I've been meaning to ask too. I think it's Splatoon 3. I believe it's Splatoon 3. Either way, if anybody in here has a Nintendo Switch and you would potentially like to have a Splatoons game, I would imagine it's number 3, which I think is the new one. Splatoons 3 free game. Let me know. I think I got one through my GameStop membership deal. And whenever I logged in online, I was making an online order for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, whatever it was. And then one of my rewards was like a free Splatoon 3 game, like digital download with the code. But my wife said that she already has it, so if anybody needs a free game. Well, do you have Splatoon 3? If not, I'll email you the code. Yeah, I'll definitely send you it. And if you don't get it in a day or two, then fucking yell at me and I'll remember to do it. But I'll definitely give it to you because I don't want it to go to waste. I don't know if it goes to waste or what happens with it, but it's like free game for somebody, so might as well. Yeah, I thought whenever I went to tell my wife about it, I thought she was going to be all happy and cool, but another one. That's the third one out of 2 cases. She's going to be all happy about it, but she's like, I already have it. You dumb mother. No. Number to 199, this guy. She already got it, so don't need it. Got some gold wave here. Gold auto. Oh my gosh. How many of these can you honestly get? They can't keep putting these ones in. To 50. Why is there so many? And we're on Michael E. just over a clear here. It's obviously box number 2. I just didn't switch this. Michael E. Okay. After we're done with this box. Fractor. We got out of 75 back here. Purple. The non-auto version. For Michael. Right on. Yeah, my wife doesn't play a whole lot of games, but if she does, it's like Switch related. She likes Splatoon, which I know she really likes Splatoon, like the last Splatoon or something. She doesn't like the newer one. I didn't know the numbering of it all, but either way, it didn't work out on that free code for us. But she likes Splatoon, and she likes all the Mario games and Donkey Kong and those sort of games. So Switch is perfect for her, even though she doesn't really play it all that much. But sometimes she gets in the mood, or there'll be a week where she plays it a bunch or something. KY? To be in the new Superman movie? I mean, it depends on what he's actually doing in the Superman movie. KY, you're up next. I've been contemplating buying the new Spider-Man game for the PS5. I don't have time to play. I got some games now that I want to play. I want to play the new Call of Duty. I haven't even, just no time in the day right now. But I'm on like a video game kick for some reason. Well, I guess I just ordered some, and then we've been buying some. Well, I told you guys, been buying some old Sega Genesis games and such. Because those are easy. Those old school games, like you could just play for 15 minutes and be good. 15, 20 minutes. These new games, you gotta wait till it down. You know, you get a game. Oh, there's, even if you've already got it downloaded. Oh, there's a new update, so you gotta wait there. Let it load. It's gotta find you a game. You're waiting around for 10 minutes before you even get into a game. 10, 15 minutes before you even get into a match. I like the simplicity of just turning it on and going. Get a little less graphics though. The graphics, you know. Spider-Man 2 is a very fun game. It's just short. I want to play. I saw it whenever I was looking up games on Black Friday or whatever, but didn't pull the trigger on it. But I did see it. Next game I'm going to play that's new is going to be the new Call of Duty for sure. Sketch card. Look at that little die cut sketch. Eric Medina. A little dirty on the back. I don't know. He must have been eating some Cheetos or some shit, but well, I guess he was creating art, so probably not Cheetos. Die cut. K250 die cut. Oh, is it supposed to be? No, I don't know what I'm thinking. Never mind. Act like I didn't do that. Sega Genesis. Yeah. I busted out the old school Sega Genesis past couple of weeks. Me and the kids been playing it. I brought up an old TV from downstairs up into their bedroom area, hallway. And we've been playing Sega, old school Sega Genesis games and stuff, having some fun. Mostly the kids like Street Fighter, and it's another game that they Street Fighter. Can't think of it right now, but we've been playing some bunch of different ones. Number to 99 green. Yeah, well, no, Street Fighter 2. Street Fighter 2. And then we recently I bought Bart's Nightmare, The Simpsons. It's kind of hard, actually. We played it for some of these games, like I'm buying and like we're playing for like 5 minutes. And then I quickly realized that like it's not going to work for them or even me. Like some of these games are kind of hard. Autograph, we have Christopher Xian. And $1.99. That was one of them. That's a Bart game. And then what was the other one? Some sort of Donald Duck game. But what was pretty cool. All right, so that was KY. So we've been big. The main game that we've been playing on Sega Genesis is Street Fighter 2, and we're just beating up on each other. But then I took them. This was a couple weeks ago. Like this has been going on for a couple months. This old school gaming kick that I've been on, mostly just because it's like something easy that I can do with the kids while it's the weather's not the greatest. KY. But so I took them to this. It's called CD Warehouse, but it's just like an old school retro shop that does DVDs and old video games and VHS and all that kind of stuff. And we ended up picking up a whole bunch of PS3 games, which I thought would play on my PS5, but it doesn't. It's only PS4 and PS5, so I don't know. Probably should have known that. But luckily, I still have my old PS3. Up next, Steph Man. So I was able to break out the PS3, and we got some games from that store for the PS3, which were, funny enough, Sega Genesis Classics, which was, it was only $5, but it was like most of the games we already have on the, you know, the Sonic and the Golden Axe, and so it was kind of stupid, but $5 Sega Genesis Classics for the PlayStation. Some sort of Sonic racing. It's like Mario Kart, but Sonic. But then we got Street Fighter 4, which has like a bunch of the same characters from Street Fighter 2 that we played on the Sega Genesis, but now it's like better graphics. So the kids were like, oh my god, this is so much better. And I was like, yeah, it took decades to go from that to this, so they didn't quite understand that, but and even the PS3, dude, I hooked that bad boy up. We started playing some games. It's you plug in the disc and you go, man. Like, I don't know. We were spoiled and we didn't even know it. I hate this stuff now with the PS4 and the PS5. It's been going on since the PS4, but where you can't just put in a disc and play. You put in a disc, it's got to download. It's like, man, I just want to put in the disc and play. Oh, that was pretty cool. Only thing I ever won, I don't even know how I even got entered, because I was so young. I would have been like 4 years old or something. This chick, my brother must have entered himself or something, but even then he was like 7 years old. Either way, somehow, some way, got entered into one of those mail-in things for it was Rugrats the movie soundtrack CD. And I won, and I remember I won, and my brother was mad that I won, and you know he didn't win it. Stormtrooper refractor, number to 75. This chick, but it was Rugrats, the movie soundtrack CD, and I had that thing for the longest time. I kept it. I don't know what happened to it in the end now, but I had it for the longest time. So this is what 30-year-olds. Am I bitching? I don't think I'm bitching, am I? Oh, I'm bitching about the video game. Oh, does Steph Man got a sketch? Are you complaining about me bitching? Are you complaining about a sketch card? That really is a sketch. Oh, don't even know the artist name. Just the auto, which says something Cover or N, potentially. A little scribble there. JT says, wow. That is the good old days. If you're a gamer, are you much of a gamer, Steph Man? You much of a video gamer? I definitely consider myself a gamer. $1.99 may not do as much gaming anymore, but I gamed. Oh, I gamed a lot. I spent a lot of times gaming. A lot of time gaming. A whole bunch of games. One of my favorite games on the Xbox, Fable. Anybody play Fable on the Xbox? Yeah, Josh. Tell him what's up. Fable 2's not that great. Fable great. Fable 2, I could live without. Original Fable. Holy shit. It was good. It was good. John G. Oh, I lied. Actually, I was talking about next video game I'm going to play or buy or whatever is going to be the new Call of Duty. No, so I did buy during that Black Friday sale on GameStop. Bought a couple games for the kids for the Switch, and then I bought myself a game. Actually, I bought the Mario RPG. Heard a lot of good things about that. Might have to figure out the time, but I figured with the Switch it'd be a little. I don't normally play the Switch. Just not my sort of deal. Here we got John G's box, the Switch, but I figured it might be easier for me to be able to do that. A little handheld, a little portable. Wife's cooking dinner or whatever. I can sit in there and play or what I don't know. Might be a little bit easier for me to get some time in gaming on the Switch. But Mario RPG, I'll try that out. Yeah, I did play a little bit of Star Wars Battlefront for the. I know they've made a bunch of them, but I know I think Star Wars Battlefront 2 was like really, really big. But there was one, I think, for the PS4. Whatever one came out new for the PS4. I did play some Star Wars Battlefront for PS4. The online multiplayer was like a first-person shooter sort of deal, and it was actually pretty awesome. That was actually a pretty sick game. And then it kind of died off, but I still don't know anything about Star Wars. Okay, Steph Mans, he's a bit of a gamer. He doesn't want to show it. We got an orange here, boys and girls. Hold on. John G's got an orange. How about an orange? Luke Skywalker. 21 out of 25 orange refractor. Young Luke. Ryan, you have to try out the Hitman WOA trilogy. I don't know nothing about it. But I could look into it. Battlefront 1 and 2 for PS2. Yeah. I think I know both of those were like bigger, but I wanted to say, I mean, I didn't play either one, but I want to say Battlefront 2 was like, I don't know, for some reason that's like in my head is like the big one. 79 out of 99. Jacoby Swain, green. Card number on the Darth Maul. Was that in his? That was his stack, huh? I keep doing that because you know why? FN 82. Is that not extended base? I don't know. Never mind. I think whenever we hit like a double refractor, I should probably take note of that. But yeah, I don't know. Whatever Battlefront was for the PS4 there, I did play that. Whenever the online multiplayer was like pop, lock, and drop, and $199 there, and yeah, I played that for a couple weeks pretty hardcore, but then that's about it. Unfortunately, didn't play the. This is EB. Obi-Wan Kenobi. Didn't play the original ones. Gary Beetle. 35 out of 99 on the green. There was a I didn't do a lot of racing games. Everybody's played some Need for Speed. But I just didn't really get into too many of those racing games all that much, the Need for Speeds. But there was one Need for Speed. It was like I think it was probably for PS2 or PS3. It was like, it had to have been their most popular one. It was like Dub Edition or something like that. Which one is that? Dub Edition? I played that Need for Speed like crazy. Something midnight something Dub Edition something. John G. Okay, Steph Man for 2 in a row. Midnight Club. Yeah, that's what it was. That one was my favorite one. No, you know what a really good game is that people don't usually bring up, but it's also whenever people bring it up, like most people would definitely agree that the game was awesome. Dude, Simpsons Hit and Run. Regardless of whether you like The Simpsons or not, Simpsons Hit and Run was such a fun game. I could play that game right now and have so much fun. I'm pretty sure it was one of the best sellers, too, actually. Heck yeah, Louis P. Great hit. Oh, really? Have to keep note of that. Carson Strong to 199. Gold refractor back here. Hey, our first numbered Finest Warriors. 21 out of 50. Green out of 99. Autograph. This guy. Dr. Pershing. 199. The Mandalorian Gold bookend 1 out of 50. Hey.
I love gold.
Go by Need for Speed Payback. Oh, that's a rough one, Chris. Pew pew. Pew pew. All right, second box. What's up, Kamikaze? Just chilling, breaking some Star Wars. KY, what's up? Number to 75. Purple auto to 75. Kyle Soler. 57 out of 75. $1.99. Green to 99. Autograph going to be Deborah Wilson. EB, Boba Fett. Donald C, what's up? NT cases? No. There's an NT box, one singular box. Cases? No. You solid. Samuel L. Jackson. And these fucking snakes on this mother boy. Okay, last box, JT. $1.99. Third one of those we got. Mark Boone Jr. Autograph. That was it on that one. Second. Ooh. Numbered to 10. Enemies of the Empire, 5 out of 10. Wow, it looks super clear on the screen, actually. Case hit. I was listening. And, you know, the connections are a little bit better. Before, I've always been struggling with the tops. It's a little different nowadays. The landscape's a little different, so we're getting there. I don't have much, but we got some. This guy, Paul Lee, to 75. But like I said, I do have, I think, 3 actually, more than Finest. 3 cases of the Masterworks coming through. EB. Okay, JT with the box there at the end as well. Appreciate you guys getting in there. On the Star Wars, filled up 2 cases mighty quick. Thank you. Appreciate that. Star Wars.